Welcome, dear students. Hope all of you are keeping well. Children, we all know that all of you are preparing yourselves for your upcoming half-yearly examination. Till now, you have taken your exams in MCQ pattern, but this is the first time when you will be going through a written examination in this online examination system. Therefore, this video has been specially made to provide you with some information and help you to take your exams smoothly. So, let's begin. Children, kindly use the school note sheets for your examination. Here we are talking about the same note sheets which you have used during your offline classes for writing class assignments. So make sure that you use only school note sheets. Do not forget to draw a margin on the right-hand side of every page that you will use to write your answers in the examination. Remember, children, to draw a margin on the right-hand side of every page. As you can see in this picture, children, on top of your note sheet, you will find three options: classwork, homework, class test. You have to strike off the class test option and there you have to write half yearly on top and put a tick mark in the box. Then write the date of the examination as shown in the picture. After that, write the page number on top of the date. Remember, children, it is mandatory to mention the page number. So please mention the page number on top of every page. Then, using a bold pencil for classes 1, 2 and 3 and pen for class 4, write your name, class, section, roll number and the subject as shown in this picture. Please write everything very clearly. Do not overwrite, children. Now, let us move on to the segment of writing answers. Firstly, do not copy any question. Do not copy any question. Children, you should mention the question numbers properly. It is mandatory to write the question numbers correctly. For example, when you are writing question number 1 and under question number 1 you have A, B, C, D, please write 1A answer, 1B answer, 1C answer and so on. Please write the heading of the question. It is important to write the heading of the question. For example, if the question says answer in a word, words, answer in a sentence, or fill in the blanks, or state true or false, you have to copy the heading with the proper question number and then write the answers. So make sure that you write the heading of the question. For your English 2 and second language examination, please copy the words given for writing the meanings, opposites and make sentences as shown in the picture. Suppose question number 1 is meaning, then you have to write the question number, that is 1, then the heading, that is meaning. Then you have to copy the word given in the question paper and then write the answer. Same goes for opposite and make sentences. This is both for your English 2 and second language examination. So children, remember to copy the words given for meanings, opposites and make sentences. If the heading says answer in a sentence, again you have to write the question number, then the heading, then start writing the answer. Do not copy the question, children. If the heading says answer in a word or fill in the blanks or true or false, you have to write the heading of the question, give the question number and start writing the answer. Do not copy the question. Please make sure that you write the question number and heading correctly. Also, Underline the words of fill in the blanks and make sentences. Children, please remember that your writing should not cross the margin on the right-hand side of the page. If you need to use another page, please use the back side of page 1 and write 2 on top right corner of the page. If you need to use another fresh page after page 2, again write your name, class, section, roll number, subject, half yearly and date and mention page number, that is 3, on top of the page. Coming to mathematics examination. Again, you have to write in this way as shown in the picture. Strike off the class test option and write half yearly and put a tick mark in the box. Write your name, class, section, roll number, subject and date of examination. Mention the page number on the top right corner. Not only mathematics, in every subject you have to write in this way. For mathematics, for example, if the first question is addition, write question number 1, add, copy the sum, solve the sum and then write the answer. Similarly, if question number 2 is subtraction, write question number 2, subtract, copy the sum, solve the sum and write the answer. Do it as shown in the picture. For writing in figures, do not forget to make columns for thousands, hundreds, tens, ones and then write accordingly. For problem sums, that is word problems, please do not copy the word problem question. Just write down the question number and start doing the sums, writing the statement. For type sums, HCF, money conversion, please copy the sums. Children, please remember to copy the sums for type sums, HCF, money conversion. For maths exam, you can draw a rough column on right hand side of the page for your rough work if you need one. But children, make sure that your rough column should not cross the margin you have drawn on right hand side of the page. Children, please use the back side of every page. For example, if you need a page after page number 1, use the back side of page number 1, mark it as 2. Similarly, if you need a page after page number 3, then use the back side of page number 3 and mark it as page number 4. Remember children, it is important to mention the page numbers in every subject. Revise, check and recheck your work as many times as you can. Write the question numbers and the headings correctly. Write your answers properly. Mention the page numbers. Do not be tensed. Do not rush. You will get ample time to finish your paper. So, revise properly, children. Remember, children, the key is not the will to win. It is the will to prepare to win that is important. So, all the best to all our dear children from our respected principal ma'am and all the teachers. We are sure that you all will do very well. Thank you.